I'm on my way straight to the top, you know I gotta have it. Put in work, yeah, I love the grind, you know I gotta have it. She want a dick every day a week, she thinks she gotta have it. I fell in love with
It's your boys back. Man behind the camera, I finally ain't recording this time. We got something special for y'all tonight, man. We know it's been a while, but shit finna be lit tonight.
Bangers on bangers on bangers.
We got Mr. Michael Hayes behind the camera. I'm always recording, so I took a break from it. You already know. You see the lineup there. This ain't everybody yet.
We got Hooligan Shaq in the building.
What up, man?
You know what I'm saying? So we got, it's been so long. We got Smokey, Ella May. We got our boy Ronnie, Dawson. These are two members we ain't seen in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But we coming stepping tonight, and we got a few other niggas coming today. Excuse my language, I need to test me. I'm gonna cut that. But we got a few other people coming on too. So we're gonna be stepping out to a meet tonight.
It's gonna be a good night as usual. You know.
We're gonna see how lit it gets. Supposed to be into the summer meet, so let's see how we turn up. Low key, like I ain't even eat.
Yeah! Hey, I'm still in work club, but I don't give a fuck. Dirty, crusty hoe. Look how I get up on this bitch.
We ain't even seen this yet.
Y'all know why. Hey, it's time to get out.
All right, we're leaving.
Tell y'all as big people they're gonna start calling you.
Let's get the hell out of here, y'all.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we out. Mob.
Hey, you got the ad?
How you guys doing? Hey, brother, you. I ain't seen you in a minute.
I ain't seen you in about 3 days.
Oh, 12. How this about to act? What he about to do? Is he about to be a smooth cop and just keep on going, or he gonna turn around and get behind us? Hey, 12 up there. Hey, let me get some snap crackles. Make it pop. Make it pop. Little 350Z over there. Please bust his ass. Look, he's stacking it up and everything. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Fuck out of here.
Go ahead and give him that work real quick. That nigga definitely been asking for it. He definitely been asking for it. He gotta learn how to switch them gears quicker. We at the meeting, we see lights, but that don't always mean a bad thing at these meets. It's a big organized meet, so shit, we should be straight. We not about to find no parking.
Y'all just leave me. Turn, motherfucker.
It's probably niggas trying to turn in right here. Oh, ain't nobody turning. Should I see?
Goddamn big ass truck.
Shit, boy. Oh yeah, we good over there in the back. I hear you. I hear you. Let me hear some more.
IRS Jaws.
I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. Rashad McCrimmon.
My brother Mike,
How you
aka
doing?
Hemi Hooligans. What's up
What's
with you, brother? What up, brother? That's lit as hell.
I got tail lights down here, though. Always good to be unique.
Always.
This is hard. This shit clean stuff.
It's something different that you don't see. I like how it's blacked out all the way to the edge right there.
That's shit hard.
That's hard.
Got some arrows.
Arrows.
Does this say ZL1 right here? It damn sure do. Damn sure do. That bitch clean, that blue, bro.
Hey, just let him up, man. Okay, Ronnie. Hey, it's black play too.
Bravo. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with this one. I fuck with this one for real.
Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Yes, sir. Hey. Oh, 3-wheel motion. He came through shit. Oh. Hey. I can't wait to get my truck out the shop. My shit gonna be hard. Hey, he go 12. I'm more.
How you doing, officer?
We see you. Nah, he got regular tags. He on more.
Loud son of a
Good.
Scat pack.
We need a person with a fly drone.
Scat pack.
No cow. Hey, can you imagine that drone following us down the road? What? On the way here?
Hold on. We're gonna walk away for a second, but the camera just caught this. Come up here. My man back there, his shit had the Scat Pack badge, but it had a regular Hemi hood. I ain't never seen that before.
Hey, that's new. That's a new shit.
I ain't never seen that before. That ain't it, cuz. Don't try to up-badge it. That ain't it. He had a goddamn Scat Pack badge, but a regular Hemi hood.
Something's going on.
Something's wrong.
Something's going on. That nigga I thought this was running right here.
Goddamn, what the hell in this bitch?
This ain't running. You see the badge on the back? Where? That ain't running.
SS. I don't even know what this is, but I see the big ass air intake. This bitch clean in this.
Shit news, no cap.
Hey, I need some shit like that.
Well, he probably put some power in this bitch.
Yeah, I know. No cap. It's a Beamer. I know. Leader who? I don't know. Nah,
I
he's
seen
the leader
this
of
nigga,
Durham
bro.
Tuners.
I seen this nigga earlier,
Bull City
bro.
Tuners. Bull City Tuners. That's where he from.
Yeah, bro. Whole Foods. No cap.
Yeah, that shit hard. Yeah, that shit hard.
This your shit?
On the back. This yours?
Oh, 392? No, I said, oh, shit. We got one at the restaurant when that
He said it's on the back. Yeah. Yeah, that bitch clean. Talking to you. Let me get by.
I got straight
That bitch clean though. They be out here. That's what they said. If she go to Raleigh Meats, she for the streets.
For the street.
Look at Corey. Look at that. That's fucking disgusting. Hold on. That's fucking nasty.
That shit faking though, bro.
You're trippy. You're trippy. He's still talking to that nigga. You see Mustang, his ass, man.
Yeah, he stopped.
This truck, this shit hard.
Hey, if I ever got a new body Silverado, this would be it right here. I don't know, bro. I think I have to do it the hood way. I have to go 6s.
Gotta go 6s.
Got to. But it's hard though. Don't rock watch the
Hey, I don't really feel the real that Mustang right there.
What?
The red ones right there.
No.
Why you always trying to race somebody, bro? Yeah. Bro. Chill.
Same.
If I was trying to get it. All right, let's get it. You hear this man?
But he done said this in like 2 videos already. In 2 videos, he done said that same crazy ass shit.
I would like to see you right here.
If we see one, I'm asking him.
Yeah,
we gonna go to Mexico tonight.
Dude was at the gas station was outside too. I was gonna race him, but there was a fucking sheriff sitting right in front of us.
You was about to get your ass busted.
For real?
Yes.
Come on.
You might jump out there.
That's my name.
Maybe.
Nah, they'll jump out.
Nah, you might really jump. You lighter. You lighter, so you
And
might jump
Then
out.
I'm a beat him. You know, I'm gonna go
Nah.
past him.
Then you gonna
'Cause you know, I got
fall
a little,
back.
I got a little mini supercharger, man.
mini super. You got that electric supercharger. That electric supercharger.
No cap. Yes, sir. Supercharged. Yes, sir. I'll meet you still.
Look at these lights. You can see his shit though, but.
We got the 5-7 hit me over here. Tell me what you got done. We got the 5-7 hit me over here with all these critters.
So you can read
The
him.
tune from JLB. The whole tune.
He was like, hey, you right here, come back.
I said, damn right there, I was going to throw this shit. No cap.
This is the Durham Police Department. You are in violation of Executive Order 163, prohibiting outdoor gatherings of more than 50 people.
Man, the cops tripping, bro. Why you just now saying it? Oh yeah, they right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. That shit's I'm saying.
Wait, the niggas put some work on this thing.
My dude bouncing right there.
My man, go-to. This will be the go-to right
One of
here.
the dudes at our job got one. Shit clean as hell. All because of him, we gotta go all the way back around.
These niggas. Oh, fuck that. Y'all
Yeah, we got
gotta come together. Alright? Because, y'all, you and you. Left me. Yeah. I didn't even get out the car. Hey, you two, these guys make me feel like a superstar. You see how they just follow me like
You wait. It's your fault when we go back around. That mean more content though, we ain't complaining. Had to turn that off for the copyright.
We can't be right.
Them bitches glistening though.
That's what I said.
Hey, with the four-wheeler. What you need?
How you gonna walk by me and not say nothing? Hey, this is gonna be our new editor right here.
New editor.
Y'all support them.
Hey, shout out to Ronnie that's gonna help us.
Nah, I got you.
Ronald's gotta be 25 on IG. Ronald's gotta be 25 on Instagram.
Quality. That's the best quality that you can ever get. So let me know.
Yeah. Hey, how we see you this footage, big dog? How we gonna see you the footage?
We're gonna do it the Gmail way. That was
Yeah, we want to. That shit big as hell though.
Big as hell.
Hey, bro, this shit right here though, this truck. Come on, man. I had to get another clip of this, bro.
I don't care what nobody says. He killed
Oh, this shit. I promise you, bro.
I didn't even notice that them shits was Forgi'S.
Hell yeah. Shit called Frankenstein. Alright, Steve out here. Yeah, right. Bro. Come on now, you knew damn well she left that out.
at the crib.
Bro, he should let that shit at the house.
Football all day long.
We need all this. I'm saying. My niggas cut in front of everybody.
I just cut it in front of everybody.
Bro, that's you right now, right? I'm saying, bro, he should have got that crib. Show me some. Might be. Is oh yeah, hell yeah it is. Come on now.
Okay.
Oh, it's stupid. That shit seemed pretty too. Only one we seen tonight.
Everything your color, bro.
Only one we seen.
What was he talking earlier?
Oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
just praying, bro. Hey, who's the owner of this? Who the owner of this? My brother. Your brother? He's gonna race, though. He's gonna get it.
He got a 5 he said he'll bust any Hellcat ass. He said he'll bust any Hellcat ass.
Let's get it.
I told you that he ain't want no smoke.
You want to set yourself up for
Bro, I told you they don't be playing out here, bro. You can't just walk up to anybody be on this race.
It's not that. I just say a Hellcat. I want to race the fucking Hellcat. I'm gonna get my shit supercharged.
Still ain't gonna
Oh, who
be
shit is this? I might want to run it with this nigga.
Hey, that this shit right here going stupid. This shit oh shit, that's a dog. I thought that was a person. That's a whole dog.
Yeah, Michael got to say,
Oh! 300. Didn't even see that.
Girl, I'm gonna go walk up on her.
Oh shit, bro, he dipping out. He dipping out.
That's a 300X. And I feel like this will be the last one for a minute.
Hey, no, you talking about video?
Yeah, I did a minute.
What?
For another meet, or they still have more.
There they are. I'm saying, like, that shit get look fucking clean though. This nigga always in his website.
The bitch up.
I was like, rev it up. He's like, it's my mom's. I was like, bro, rev it up. I was just saying, I was like,
What
it
was
had
that?
to be in the car, bro.
It had to
I
be.
was like, rev it up. Like, what's this thing?
You still heard a little whistle in it.
Yeah, that whistle sounds good, though.
Oh, we coming through. Let me get that. Hey, the rim's clean.
Welcome down here.
Hey, hold on. Man, we going crazy.
All over the red line.
Hey, I think it's been a pretty good night, bro. What you think, bro?
Yeah.
Been a good night. I know you have a YouTube though. Shout out.
Rashad McCrimmon, man. Follow me. What's yours, brother?
You already know who he is. First star on. You know what I'm saying? Put our ball on. You already know.
You know, hey, I have a giveaway for somebody giving me like they 50 subscribers. I give something away.
No cap.
Like $50 for 50 subscribers.
Nah, they like you at least throw 1,000.
I throw a hundo, an extra 50 for 100 subscribers.
250 subscribers.
Two.
The last person to subscribe get a 200.
Believe me. And we got you. We got you.
You know what I'm saying? I got YouTube studio. They tell me the last subscriber.
Hey, hold on. Y'all get my boy right here. Y'all get Jimmy Hooligan. 200 subscribers. He'll go burn out of that day right there.
Hey, no cap, no cap.
200 subscribers.
I will blow. Put the camera on. Put the camera on because I will blow them bitches off. I promise you.
Y'all hear him now.
Hey, and look, I'm on some 24s now.
And we gonna melt them down.
Melt them down. Look, bro, they already back there. So one more, and you already know how I do. I milk that bitch.
Yes, sir.
One more good one, they done for. Then it's 200. I promise you.
And we'll have those videos for
I
y'all.
promise you. I brought it before? Wait, no.
He didn't have the decal on the
He
tail.
didn't. And he ain't had them wheels on, did he?
No, it was factory. Stop. Did some work to that, bro.
Yeah. right there, bro?
What is it?
That's scat.
Yeah, I race a scat. For real. I ain't scared of no fucking scat, nigga. What? Pull up next to me. Leave me.
Hey, don't you want him?
Yeah.
I'm scared of 15. If it was daytime, I'd definitely be on your ass. But you see I was on your ass.
Yeah,
but
you was.
You did too much. I was like, fuck it. They steady going. I mean, but don't tip me, dog.
What you gonna pull out the tally or the goddamn charge? Bro, check this out. The man right here got both his cars out here. Bougie. Bougie. He got the SRT right there, then he got this right here, bro. Just bougie. Bougie. Done changed the rims on it. Bougie.
We got Scarlet.
You got Scarlet and Venom. He got two of them.
I rode in Venom.
Two of them. He got two of them. This is got him Scarlet and that's Venom.
Okay.
He got two of them. Huh? He got two of them. Scarlet and Venom.
Wait. This man right here.
This man right here.
Got two.
Two. They got the 2018 RT Charger and they got them. Is that what? 2010 SRT8?
Yeah.
Come on now.
I mean, I want to give it.
Big. Hey, look, check this out though. He took the rims on this and put it on this. Big pockets.
Come on, man.
Big pockets.
Hey, that's what happened.
And then got some more balls for this.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, this how you do it right here. When you got two more cars sitting in the yard, you can switch out wheels.
You can switch out wheels.
Switch out wheels.
If he want to swap them back, he can.
Hey,
Big pockets right here.
them on there, you can swap them others out.
That is crazy right there.
Use the dirtiness.
It's all right,
Nah,
man.
bro, we all dirty out here.
Hey, y'all give my
I really appreciate it.
Insta.
Yeah, you already know. SRT, cause he even got it on the wicker bill back here. He even got it on the wicker bill back here.
I forgot. And he got it on
Bullshit. Bullshit. Hey, though, my man right here got something special coming too, though. We ain't gonna tell no secrets. Just wait on it, though.
Yeah, Big Bro got
Just
something.
wait on it, though. He got two options right now. You don't know which
Two
one.
good options, too. Yeah, man, what a night, boys. What a night. It was fun.
It was fun, bro. It was fun,
Guess
bro.
what? Time to get back down 15.
You already know. Alright, well, look, it's been another with your boys, man. Another dope night. You know what I'm saying? It's been a long time. But, you know, all we do is bring great content. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Turn on the post notifications. And we got some more bangers coming, man. So stay tuned. We out.
I'm grinding, big grinding, little mama, I'm shining. How you gon' eat if you don't put the time and stay humble? Your nigga got see you been striving. Streets ain't the sacred, the pole when I'm driving. I want a house overseas on the island. Throw granny ratchets and keep her face smiling. Live up your life every day, people dying, cause you never know when your last time is around.